protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, we're just leaving the Texan RV park. I'm gonna miss this place. Man, the internet was fantastic here. Yeah, this park is awesome. If you're ever in this, it's like south east of Dallas a little bit out in the country, small town called Athens. Stop by, stay at this park. They have excellent internet, which means a lot. So the campground owner was real nice, came over and saw us, and everything was great here. Are you glad the drive's over with for today? We're at our spot for today. We're in Mississippi. Left the Texan RV park this morning. Just want to say thanks again, Todd. So we're in Mississippi now, and I think we're missing the Texan RV park already, but it's not too far off the highway, so it's pretty good. All pull-through sites. We're all leveled, hooked up. We're just filling our onboard water tank. We're right about there, about halfway. All right, this place is supposed to have a dog park, so we're gonna go check it out. Well, they're gonna go check it out. The dog park is only open at 9 a.m. I guess that's for barking dogs. It's a pretty good sized dog park. It goes all the way up there to the building, and all the way across, and there's a playground for the kids on the other side. Lisa's going to get a ball for that thing right there. That ball. Tara said she's ready to go back to the air conditioning. Well, we made it to our stop for the evening. We're in the Panhandle, and we stopped a little bit early today because I didn't want to end up being in the area that was affected by the hurricane. But this campground, we're pulling into it, and this is the first time that this has ever happened. I'm looking at the entrance and I'm like, this looks familiar. I think we might have stayed here. See that laundry facility? I'm pretty sure it was red 3 or 4 years ago. And here's the weird part. I think we stayed in the same spot. Kind of sad. Gonna be back to work. Back to reality here soon, so. I'm 99% sure that we have stayed here before. Lisa is 99% sure that we have not stayed here.
I don't remember staying here, is what I said. I'm not positive.
So we're gonna take the girls for a walk, and we're gonna look at some stuff, and I'm gonna try to jar her memory. So either one of two things has happened here. Either I've looked at so many campgrounds and pictures before we stayed that I think I've stayed here just because I remember seeing the pictures, or we stayed here, but I'm pretty sure we stayed here. Okay, so this campground's got a boat ramp right here inside the campground. Outsiders can pay a fee. I guess campers, you get it for free. Does this jar your memory? Item number 1?
No.
Actually, I don't remember the boat ramp either. So I'm starting to think maybe this was a Google view. Okay, item number 2 is very unique to this place. How many places have a bridge in the middle of nowhere in their grass field? Now, do you remember it?
No.
I remember that bridge from last time we were here, and I'm like, why is there a bridge out in the middle of the grass field? There you have it. Not every campground's got a bridge to nowhere sitting in a grass field. All right, next is going to be item number 3. What do you got to do? Jump it? Oh, okay. Come on, Tara. Turn around.
There's not one mosquitoes.
Yeah, there is. I'm getting bit up already. I don't remember this bridge either. Yeah, this whole back section back here, where I think our site was, it appears to be all 30 amp. and that's what our Class C was a 30 amp. So I'm pretty sure we were back here. Okay, we're walking in the back part of the campground, and now I am almost 100% convinced that we did stay here, and it wasn't just from looking at campground pictures. We either stayed in this spot here, or we stayed over there where that hornet is. So what I'm gonna do is when I get home, I'm gonna pull up the pictures. From my memory, was our Class C, and it was taken from the front side. So I'm gonna do a split screen and put the picture side by side of both of these spots. And then this is the laundry room. And now I know we were definitely here. It used to be painted red. And I think I got a picture of Emma, like over here. I think we had her tied up there while we were doing laundry. Yeah, you don't remember this at all?
Let me look at the laundry room.
Lisa's memory has been jarred. Yeah, this used to be painted red. So that's what threw me off. And there's our rig. I guess this is all 50 up here. Yeah, we got up this morning getting ready to get out of here. And Lisa goes out and walks the dog and says, hey, the wind's picking up. I knew it was gonna rain this morning, according to the prediction from yesterday. I didn't know it was gonna be a storm. So check out the radar. Yeah, there we are. And here's the storm. So we're trying to get everything all packed up and get the heck out of Dodge. We're headed east. So, and this storm's coming from the west, so I'm gonna try to outrun it. We're about 30 miles from where the campground was. The wind is really bad this morning driving, but we're trying to get down the road because the storm is behind us. It's heading this way. It's heading the same way we're going, so we're trying to get down the road and get away from it. Fueled up, big difference. Yeah, 350 here, 348, and in Mississippi it was 289, I think. So huge difference in price. We're going through the area now where the outskirts of, I guess, where the hurricane went through, and there's a ton of trees down. Billboards are gone. It's crazy. We dealt with this ourselves last year, so we know what it's all about. But it's just sad seeing it all busted up here. Well, that's never happened before. We're getting fuel in the truck stop area of the Pilot. The Humvee that was in front of us, apparently they left the pump on and we were getting the military gas. I don't know if they thought that there was another military vehicle behind them or what. So Lisa's in there trying to straighten that out. Good luck, I don't know how they're gonna straighten that out. You guys comfy? Almost home, almost home. We outran the storm this morning. Then we got into the panhandle part where the hurricanes were, and that was quite interesting. That's insane. Lisa's still in there trying to get it straightened out and pay for our fuel, because they charged it to however they pay for military fuel. I guess probably a government credit card or something, I don't know. I had to pull out of there and then actually pull out of this Pilot and then come back in to pick Lisa up because she's still inside trying to straighten out the bill. Crazy. It's a Pilot. Yeah, so Lisa's back in. How was that experience, Lisa?
Lengthy.
Yeah. So this is the deal. Lisa got to the point where she said, hey, let me just give you 38 bucks. And the military guy's like, no, it's got to be straightened out. Hey, the Pilot cashier had to call corporate to get it straightened out. I guess they got a corporate account for all the military, so what a fiasco. But we could have literally have driven off with a full tank of diesel for free because of their screw up. Well, we made it back home. Now to unpack everything. She's working on the fridge, working on camera gear. We got a bunch to do. Yeah, a bunch of stuff to do when we get back. I got to get the signal boosters up. Got to go through all that mail. Lisa actually has to go to the post office and get the bundled mail. So she's going to be leaving to go do that here in just a second. Let's go say hi to Cats. There's one. What's up, Speedy? She's a little weird after being gone for almost 5 weeks. And no, we didn't just leave her locked up with a big giant bowl of food. I just want to say thanks to all our subscribers. Appreciate the views. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell icon, you'll get a notification. And we'll see you on the next video.